Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit, and welcome to today's Job of the Day. So today's Job of the Day is for an apprentice plumber, and our client is located in Caboolture, and they're looking for a second or a third year apprentice plumber. Sorry, anyone who's a first year or a freshie, this one's not for you. And they specialise in both domestic and commercial maintenance plumbing. So this is a full-time position, and it's a Monday to Friday role. There's no weekend work, and they do pay overtime, and they also do pay a fuel allowance. So if you're an apprentice out there that is wanting to continue your apprenticeship in plumbing, may have recently, unfortunately, lost your position due to COVID, then this position could be a great opportunity for you. So we'll put the link to the position in the show notes below. And again, please like, share, and forward this on to anybody that you think might be interested in this role that may currently be looking for another opportunity in plumbing. So again, it's Kent from Apprentice Recruit. Thanks.